solve for x, and we are given x plus 1 over x squared minus 4 minus 2 over 5x minus 10 equal to x minus 1 over x plus 2. The first thing I will do is that to factorize whatever I can factorize. I will therefore take x plus 1 over x squared minus 4 can be factorized using difference of 2 square method. Therefore, this equals x minus 1 minus 2 times x plus 2. Well done. Minus 2 over 5x minus 10 can be factorized by taking out the common factor 5. And inside the bracket, we left with x minus 2 equals x minus 1 over x plus 2. Then just a bracket all your sides. Everywhere we have now 1 term over 1 term. Now what we need is to find the LCM of all. So if we see the LCM gonna be just 5 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. That's gonna be our LCM for all. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply by the LCM by each term. So we're gonna start with first term, x plus 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 2, and then we're gonna multiply the LCM, which was 5x minus 2 times x plus 2 over 1, because fraction with fractions, minus, well, 2 over 5 times x minus 2 times the LCM, which is 5 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 equal x minus 1 over x plus 2, well, times, we're gonna also write over 1, the LCM, 5 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 over 1. Now we need to cancel out all the common factors or identical factors. On the first, I can cancel out x minus 2 and x plus 2, these two brackets. Well done. So in my first term, I will have 5 times x plus 1 minus, and the second term gonna simplify to 5 times x minus 2 gets cancelled out by 5 times x minus 2. So it simplifies 2 times x plus 2. On the left hand side, we can cancel out x plus 2 and x plus 2. Therefore, it simplifies equal to x minus 1 times 5 times x minus 2. Now we get rid of fractions, and no more we have any fraction. Now what we need is to get rid of the brackets. So follow me. So let's multiply out. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times plus 1 is plus 5. Well done. Minus 2 times x gives 2x. 2 times plus 2 gives minus 4. Equals. Multiply the two brackets. That means each term in the first bracket must be multiplied by both terms in the second bracket. Well done. So x times x gives me x squared. Outside, we're gonna keep the 5. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 1 times x gives minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2 gives us plus 2. Now, get rid of the like terms. Just collect like terms. 5x plus 5 minus 2x minus 4. 5x of minus 2x simplifies to 3x. Plus 5 and minus 5 simplifies to plus 1. Equal to, collect like terms inside the bracket on the right side. Take your 5 and then open bracket. X squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. Minus 2x and minus x simplifies to minus 3x. Therefore you have minus 3x plus 2. Now, multiply the coefficient by each term inside the bracket. Therefore, this is going to be equal to 3x plus 1 equals 5x squared minus 15x plus 10. Now what we need is that to make all the terms equal to 0. We're gonna therefore need to bring the right hand side to the left hand side. How are we going to do that? We are going to subtract whole expression from both sides. 3x plus 1 minus 5x squared plus 15x minus 10 equal to 5x squared minus 15x plus 10 minus 5x squared plus 15x minus 10. Now on the right hand side simplifies to 5x and minus 5x squared goes together. Minus 15x plus 15 goes together. Plus 10 minus 10 goes together. So this simplifies to 0. This side, let's collect like terms. 3x and plus 15x simplifies to 18x. Well done. Plus 1 and minus 10 simplifies to minus 9. And minus 5x squared comes down as it is. Well done. We're gonna therefore now have 5x squared minus 5x squared plus 18x minus 9 equal to 0. Now it's in standard form. We're gonna therefore need to get rid of this minus by dividing as a whole by minus 1. And also we divide the other side too, because this is the rule of the golden of the equation. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other side too. Therefore, this simplifies 5x squared minus 18x plus 9 equal to 0. Well done. Now we have quadratic equation in standard form. We therefore need to check if we can factorize. Well, let's check. Our coefficient of x squared is 5 and the constant term is plus 9. We're gonna therefore need to multiply 5 and 9. We're gonna therefore need to multiply 5 and 9. If you multiply 9 by 5, gonna give us 45. Well done. Well done. Now, we need to find the factors of 45. The factors of 45 can be 1 times 45, 9 times 5. Well done. And also 3 times 15. Now we need to check which two factors or pairs can make minus 18. Yes, minus 3 and minus 15 can make minus 18. We're gonna therefore replace in place of minus 18x with minus 3x and minus 15x in order to factorize this expression. 5x squared minus 3x, well, minus 15x plus 9. Now, we substituted minus 3 minus 15 in place of minus 18x. Now what we need is to group. We're gonna therefore group 5x squared and minus 15x and then put in bracket. We're gonna then group, make sure you put your correct sign in front of the bracket. Then we're gonna group 3x and minus 9. Because of this minus, the 9 becomes minus 9. Now check in each group if you can take out any common factor. In our first group, we can take out 5 as a common, 5x as a common factor. And inside we left with x minus 3. Minus, and here we can take out 3 as a common factor. And inside the bracket, we left with x minus 3. Well, now we need to check our brackets. We see we have identical bracket. That means we can take one bracket as a common factor and then bring it down. Our common factors of first time, 5x, open bracket, 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you have quadratic equation simplified in factor form equal to 0. Very good. What do you need to do now? You need to put each factor equal to 0 and then solve it for x. Let's take the first factor, which is x minus 3, and put it equal to 0. Okay, and let's take the second factor, which is 5x minus 3, and put equal to 0. Now let's solve the first factor. X minus 3, we need to get rid of this minus 3. We're gonna therefore add 3, and we're gonna add to the other side too. 0 plus 3. This simplifies x, and the right hand side simplifies to 3. Okay, first factor gives us the value of x is equal to 3. Now let's check our second factor, which is 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Let's get rid of minus 3 by adding 3, and remember to add the other side too. 0 plus 3. This simplifies 5x equal to 3. Now get rid of the 5 by dividing by 5 both sides. Now cancel out the 5's and the left hand side we have got x, which equals on the right hand side 3 over 5. Therefore, our solution, second solution, is that our x equals 3 over 5. You are done. Now what you need is to test your solution with the original equation. Well, so now what I'm gonna do is I will test it first with the solution x equals 3. What was the original equation? Well, the original equation, it was x plus 1 over x square minus 4 minus 2 over 5x minus 10 equal to x minus 1 over x plus 2. Never get tired. We're gonna therefore say 3 plus 1 over x square is 9. If you take 4 from 9, we get 5. Right? So we will have there 9 minus 5 is 5. Okay. Minus 2 over, if you multiply 5 by 3, it's 15. Well done. If you take 10 from 15, it is 5 over 5. Well done. Equals, x is 3. If you take 1 from 3, it is 2 over 3 plus 2. It's x plus 2, which is 5. Now, what we need is to take 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 2 over 5. It must be equal to 2 over 5. Well, now this simplifies to 4 minus 2, which is 2 over 5, equal to 2 over 5. Therefore, our solution x equals 3 is 100% correct. Now, I leave for you x equals 3 over 5 and test with our original equation and see if you can find and confirm with me that the solution is correct. Thank you.